G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's today showing you the 23-0 stainless steel barbecue grill.
Hit it.
This grill is made with food grade stainless steel, has a basic folding design that's compact to use and easy to set up, and has multiple height adjustments so you can use it over the top of any heat source. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the 23-0 stainless steel barbecue grill in its bag. The carry bag here with a handle on top measures about 56, 57 centimeters by about 24 to 25 centimeters this way, and about 3 to 3.5 centimeters in height. Plenty of extra space in the bag, so if you've got extra grills or cutlery, utensils, anything you want to put inside, you've got a bit of storage space in there. This is just a heavy duty synthetic bag here. It's going to be more than adequate to store this in the back of your car and keep any ash or what have you off of all your other camping gear. Pull it out, there's not much to show. There's just one piece inside with a couple of fold out sections on the sides here. So this pivots on the corner here. We fold both sides out like this, that side and that side. Putting this down on the bench here. This is set up at its lowest setting. Before we go into how to adjust the height, it's made of a food grade stainless steel, so perfectly safe to cook straight on top of here, and it's also going to resist rusting and degradation over years, so a good durable grill. Now these legs are adjustable. At the moment this is set at the lowest height, so this is 12 centimeters to the very top here. So you could probably fit a small gas stove under there if you like, or a small fire, or you could be cooking really close to the fire. Alternatively, if you need a bit of extra height, you can heighten the leg with these little holes on the side here, and if I flip this over you'll see this loop section underneath here which actually folds down flat. The whole thing packs away with that folded flat as well. Now you can adjust this by taking this loop out and putting it in one of the higher holes. So I'll go and adjust this to the highest setting here now. To get this out requires a little bit of muscle because this is under a bit of tension. It's quite a heavy duty U-spring there, so just bend that inwards and pull it out. You just need to locate these notches in the holes on the side. I'm going to go right through to the highest setting. Each of these is around about 2 centimeters extra height, and this is actually going to give us 19 centimeters of height to the top. So loop it in one side, bend it in, a little bit of muscle, just to locate it in that hole there, and then this folds upwards like that. Now when you pack this away, you can leave it extended like this. You could fold this flat if you wanted. Don't necessarily need to, but it folds up either way. You don't need to keep adjusting that every time you use it. I'll adjust the other side as well so that I can show you how high it is once it is at its highest point. Now it does require a bit of muscle to get that out. Flex that one in. And then this side. That's now at the highest setting there, and that gives us 19 centimeters of height to the top here. So now there's room for a fairly decent fire under here so that you can cook straight on top, or if you've got a larger gas stove or a gas ring burner or something that you want to put under there, you can do. Just be mindful that if you're cooking sausages or steaks, that fat's going to drip straight through onto any gas cooker that you've got under there, which may make it a little bit of a mess. That is a 23-0 stainless steel barbecue grill, really lightweight and versatile addition to your camp setup, particularly if you like campfire cooking. You can you can put a small fire underneath here and cook just about anything on top, or use it as a pot support over the top of a gas stove. Put your camp oven on top. It's sturdy enough to hold plenty of weight. Fry pan on top, saucepan, whatever you like. Just adds a lot of versatility to your camp cooking setup. Check these out online at snowys.com.au.